spilled it over there, okay? And I want it super fancy, got it? Are you almost done? I don't know, it looks cheap. I hate it! How about a little gold?
Wow! A real gold brick? Unbelievable!
No, melt it!
What? But why? That's criminal! I can't believe I'm doing this. I could have been rich, but that will never be. Here it goes! Liquid gold. It sure is pretty, though. Just look at that shine. She definitely has expensive taste.
You're done? Oh, it's magnificent! But it could still use something else.
Wait, I got you. Pink! Here it comes!
Oh, it's so cute! Yay!
Feeling the love, and it's all yours.
A little to the left.
It's perfection. Well?
You earned yourself some gold.
Wow!
Maybe just the one.
Spectacular! Thank you!
So cheap. Just look at all this. And to make it look even more expensive, more gold, baby. Yay! It's perfect. Wait, what about mine? Hello, over here. Whatever. This thing could use a little fresh air. Wait for it. There! A window! Nice! Hey, what's this? It's just the right size, I think. Only one way to find out. Yep. But I ain't done yet. Some outlining makes it nice and bold. Just a tad more. All done! Isn't it great? Hey, you guys! $500 bills? Gross! No way! 1, 2, 3. Fine. Let me think. What's this? A little tube? No, a really big tube. Perfect for a window. Cute, right? Hello out there! This is nice. Come see. I'm a little busy at the moment. Whatever. Help, please? You need me? Ugh. Okay. Lift this with me. Got it? Set it here. Oh, I'm sweating. So not cool. Just a bit further, come on. That's all I need. Bye. Ugh, so ungrateful. How hard could this be? You good? Just give me a minute. Ta-da! Isn't it to die for? Soft, too. All done. Hope you like pink. It's not that great. It's better than yours. How dare you! I'll show you who's better! Oh, my pearls! Too bad, so sad. What's going on out there? Hey, stop! Stop! Hey, get out! Okay, okay. Help! We're doomed! I found light! Come on, this way! Move! Wait, over there! I don't know about this. Should I? Oh, thank goodness. Ugh, out of my way. Whatever. This is much better. What a relief. Wait, I have an idea. Craft time! But first, I need the right shape. There we go. Check them out. All they need is a little color. Okay, lots of color. Let there be light. Just string them on and you're good to go. So festive, am I right? And I didn't spend a penny. You hear that? Is that supposed to be innovative? I'll show her some bright thinking. Not sure what to do with this. Something better, please? Wow, now we're talking. Nothing shines quite like gold. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Oh yeah. I want them all. Ta-da! But I'm not quite done yet. Never underestimate the details. And just like that, it's ready to hang. Shine bright, baby! It really brightens up the bills, don't you think? It's mediocre at best. I prefer something a little richer. Like these. And yes, they're real. And already on a string. Classy is so the vibe here. And what's classier than real pearls? Isn't it just fantastic? Yay! It's so magical! I'm liking it here. Nice Nice work! How am I supposed to get mail? Let me see. Choices. Definitely not. Hey, that's adorable. Is it here? Oh my! It's really here! And to make it better, some ruby red sparkle, of course. So lovely. Who has plain mailboxes anyway? Super fab. I just have to post this. That dinky thing. Enter opulence. Next. No thanks. Now that's interesting. Hi.
Good day, miss.
Excuse me. What about your payment? Hello. It's not done.
Of course. I forgot the most important part.
Wow. Wait. Where did he go? I'm on my own? No way! It's giving mega rich! Wait, right. All done. Say wealthy! That's super nice. Maybe I can go shopping too. Or maybe not. See what I mean? Useless. Unless… I'm no stranger to getting creative. Pencil, please! Let's giraffe this bad boy. I'm seeing it. Time to make it real, folks. See what I mean? And just like that, I have a mailbox. No shopping apps, no problem. Yay! Look, I made this. Good job. For a peasant. What's that? Hide! I'm scared. Oh no!
Oh, good heavens! What's going on in here? Ooh!
We're doomed!
Little houses? Interesting.
Hey, I think we can come out now. That was really close. Hey, I have mail. What is it? Oh no, the exam! Today? Alrighty. I got one too. Bummer. An exam? Piece of cake. I always go to class prepared. Notebooks, assemble. Wow, look at her go! Ah, I got this! Come on, Tears! I'm gonna head out. Wait, can you take the test for us? Please? Okay. I'll help you. Let's go, we're gonna be late. I'll show you.
Let's see. Watch out for a booger attack! Here it comes! Hey, girl! Girls! Enough! Come here too! Detention!
Luna, I'll never live in the same room with you.
This is gonna be a nightmare!
Ugly trash bag.
Spider! Giant spider!
Hey, it's just a spider.
I'm gonna get rid of it. Oh, where is it? There you are. Goodbye, spider.
Oh, Mr. Bim! You almost killed him! Oh, look! The color is so awesome! Not bad! Now let's fix your side!
Stay away from my side. I'll split the room. This'll work the best for us. Never cross this line.
No. Okay.
I'm tired of you. I know what to do. Balloons will make it perfect. The last one. Almost ready. This is perfect. Nice. So comfy.
Feel comfy? Say goodbye to you, new bad.
Oops.
something missing in this room. What of this? Let's try again. Wow!
What is that? Oh, I have an idea. Split. Oh, amazing. It's gonna look super cool. And repeat 5 times. And some clouds. Oh, so soft. Whoa. Almost done. So beautiful.
Whoa! What? I have a better idea. What should I do with that? Oh, cool! Up you go! Yeah, it's perfect! Oh, pizza! My
Delivery.
pizza! Thank you!
My money!
Hey, don't try to take my side of pizza! Yeah!
Roxy's like an animal.
Hey, look, dinosaur!
What? Where?
No pizza for Luna! Oh, yeah! What are you laughing?
Clicked by Luna.
Ew, Luna!
Luna's diary.
Luna, now it's mine!
It's my secret. Give it to me.
Oh, this is my side. Look!
What?
Okay, let's find out your secrets.
Oh no!
Steve! Oh, today I met him in school. He's so handsome, so smart and kind.
Let's speak like adults.
Luna's diary from my side.
Okay.
More.
Cosmetics. Cool notebooks. Tiny guitar. Cutest toys. And 2 hearts.
More. More. Mr. Bean! Okay. My baby! Spider!
Na 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 na! Huh? Hey! Hey, calm down, okay? Did she scare you, honey?
I don't want to live in a room with you!
Me neither. And what do you say to that?
Well...
That's better. You can't step on my side. You too.
Of course! Well... Done!
I know what to do.
Oops!
interesting. Huh? Ooh, what is this? Ow! Stupid puppet.
Wow, my favorite things! Oh, it's time to be creative!
Huh? What? But how?
Wow, my beautiful room!
What can I do? Huh? Awesome. Huh?
I'll fix it.
Oh no, she's gonna ruin it. Okay, let's settle this like adults.
Deal. What will you give me in return?
Oh, huh? Bye, Mr. Skeleton.
Really? More.
Huh? What? Okay.
More.
Okay, huh? And how about this?
More. More.
What else? Maybe this?
I want this! Yes! Oh, so cute!
Are you serious? Oh, my love. Oh, honey, where are you? Oh, huh? Oh, there you are. Oh, I missed you.
What? It's good we live on different sides.
Well, look at this. You'll be popular, Ruby.
What?
Watch yourself on the internet.
You won't dare!
Rules are the rules. Bye-bye.
I need to release stress. Lily!
What do you want? Ruby? Whatever. Hey, are you okay? Huh? What?
It's just a prank.
You can be funny, sis. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. No more fighting.
Yes.